Hello, this is Kaylee Pepperdine for KAOT 210, demonstrating how to use Doodle. So this is Doodle. You can create a free account. I'm already logged in and have my account ready, so we're going to go ahead and show how to create a doodle. So you go up here to the upper right hand side and click Create a Doodle. You gotta wait for this to load. And it's pretty straightforward. It'll pop up with a box. You can enter the title of your event or meeting. I just went ahead and did business meeting. And you type in a location. Gives you some options to be defined: a conference call, a regular phone call, Skype, online. Different options, or you can type in your own. I went ahead and typed in main conference room. And then you can add a note in regards to what the meeting is about. So we'll do this one as go over Doodle. And once you have that filled out, you'll go ahead and hit continue. And it gives you an option to connect to your calendar. But right now we'll just go ahead and click later. Scroll back up a little bit. Right now it's just showing you the week. We're going to go ahead and click on month, so you can see more options. You'll have the option to go forward in months. So we'll go ahead and go to April. You'll pick the day that you would like to set your meeting or your doodle. Let's go ahead and do April 9th. Click on that. And it'll prompt you to add a time. Go ahead and exit out this. And we'll need to pick a time. Let's do, you scroll through or type in 2 p.m. You don't want to do it at a.m. And then click an end time. It gives you some estimates about how long it will be, or you just pick a time. We'll do 30 minutes, so for 2:30. You can also add more times if this is going to be something where you're going to give your clients or employees extra time to decide what ones they want to be able to do. Hit continue. Then scroll back down here. Since we're just doing the free one, we're going to do this. You can let people vote or limit how many participants, or have some polls with the free option. We'll go ahead and click finish. And you can invite people via email. And click send. If you scroll down, you'll see what's going to be sent. And it shows there is a meeting in the main conference room. Oh. Apologize. Here you can scroll down and you'll see what is being sent. It shows that the meeting is going to be in the main conference room. The notes are to go over Doodle. It shows which time zone. Gives you the option to yes if needed for a vote. It shows the times the meeting will be. If you click here, it says I want to be at this time. You'll go ahead and click send. And this just gives you the option to upgrade your account. Go back to poll. And you'll see that we have created an event, and invited a person to our event. And that is how you use Doodle. Thank you for your time and have a great day.